guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a lip swatch video of all of my Colourpop Lippie pencils. So I've done a series on my channel where I've swatched lots of Colourpop items. So I've swatched my Colourpop Lippie Sticks, Colourpop Ultra Glosses, Colourpop Ultra Blotteds and Blotteds lips. So yeah, today is the pencil swatches. So it's not a review video today because I love all of the Lippie pencils. I love everything by Colourpop. So it's not a review, it's just simply a swatches video. So I'm going to swatch them all, and up on the screen I will put the name of the Lippie pencil as well. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get started. Okay, so those were all my Colourpop swatches of my Lippie pencils. So like I said, I love all of the Colourpop products and I love their Lippie pencils. They're so creamy, smooth and easy to apply. I think my favourite shades are probably Oh Snap, which is a pinky mauvey shade. And then my other favourite shade is Aquarius, which is a pinky nude shade. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. I hope it was helpful to you if you are looking to buy some Colourpop Lippie pencil shades. So if you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos. And leave a comment down below of what your favourite Lippie pencil shade is. So yeah, thank you so much for watching guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!